Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Recently, I asked this question to my community on Instagram. What is the biggest difficulty you face when it comes to everyday life? And I am taking one of the most common responses that was shared, the fear of uncertainty. And I'm going to share with you 5 things that will help you not to fall a victim to the tricks of your mind. Before that, for those of you who are new here, I am Sneha, and on this channel, we explore various aspects of mindful living, social emotional learning, and I help you to go from being mindful to mindful living. We understand the concept of time as past, present, and future. The fear of uncertainty that we say or we speak about is always about the future because the fear is always of the unknown. I mean, we do not fear something that we already know, do we? But I want you to pause this video and think about this. The present that you are living in now was also a future at some point in time, isn't it? And there might have been uncertainties in the past, but you have survived them. You might want to listen to these statements again. And if your answer to these statements was yes, then why do we fear uncertainty or why do we fear the future? I want you to listen to me very carefully as we try to understand how the mind tricks us into this fear and how we can train the mind to overcome this fear. In reality, many aspects of life are uncertain at some stage. When we face uncertainty about minor or inconsequential matters, we do not dwell upon them. Now consider all the unknown results you encounter in a day. Will something interrupt before you finish watching this video? Will you run someone you know at the grocery store? Will you get any texts in the next half an hour? Will your favorite cookie be available at the coffee shop when you go there? You don't even think about these types of things, but they are all uncertain. Although many of us associate uncertainty with catastrophic outcomes, but in reality, uncertainty is neutral. It's simply a part of life. It surrounds us, and nearly every event in future carries some degree of uncertainty. Now, most of us individuals are creatures of habit. So when events unfold according to a plan, we feel that we are in charge, we are in control of the situation. However, when life throws curveballs or unexpected challenges, it can trigger feelings of anxiety and stress in us. But here's the crucial point, my dear friends. Uncertainty is a natural aspect of life. It's ingrained in the very essence of our existence. While it's completely natural to feel fearful or anxious about what lies ahead, but how you respond to this fear is what will make a difference in your life. Listen to it again and think about it. Here are 5 things that will help you to not fall a victim to the tricks of your mind. First, accept 2 things, which are uncertainty and feelings of anxiousness about this uncertainty. Let me explain. Now, uncertainty is a natural part of life. It is ingrained in our very existence. Look at the nature around you. Is anything 100% certain in nature? Now, when it comes to feelings of anxiousness for this uncertainty, it is essential to acknowledge and accept these feelings mindfully without any judgment. Understand that it's okay to feel scared, anxious, or overwhelmed. These emotions are a natural part of our human experience, and denying them will only give them more power over us. Second, challenge 2 thought patterns. What is in your control, what is not in your control. Be mindful about what things are in your control, what things are not in your control. Avoid dwelling on things that are not in your control. That's where most of us fail. Focus on the things that are in your control, and it could be as simple as weekly meal planning or laying out the clothes the night before a stressful day. Establish routine to give your days and weeks some comforting structure. Challenge your thought patterns about uncertainty. For every worst case scenario, think about what will be the best possible scenario. Third is identify your fears. Has anything happened in the past that has led you to have this thought pattern? Fourth, practice mindfulness with this 5 senses grounding technique. 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, 1 thing you can taste. And the last one is speak to someone you trust or seek help. There's nothing wrong in it. Irrespective of which technique works for you, I want you to remember that you are not alone in this. Instead of viewing uncertainty as something to be feared or avoided, we can also embrace it and perceive it as an opportunity for learning and growth. How you respond will make a difference in your life. So you can reframe it as a chance to step outside of your comfort zone, to explore new possibilities, and to discover your own strength and resilience. When we approach anything, including uncertainty, with curiosity and openness, we can unlock a world of endless possibilities and outcomes. There's a beautiful quote by Eckhart. If uncertainty is unacceptable to you, it turns into fear. If it is perfectly acceptable, it turns into increased aliveness, alertness, and creativity. If you want handholding to bring this shift mindfully, I have limited slots for free discovery session every month. Click on the link in the description to schedule your free discovery call now. If you like this video and want to be a part of Arvinda community, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos. Also share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. I'd love to hear them. And together, let's make this world a better place. To get a daily BTS of my mindful life, go follow me on Instagram. Until next time, breathe, love, cherish every moment.